I've been looking at lifts for a long time, and I finally got to the point in my life where I decided to pull the trigger. I go to a lot of car shows, and I met Stacy at one car show. I think it was in Columbus, Ohio last year. We had a great talk. So he showed me all the attributes. I went to their website as well as others to look around, and I'm interested in made in the USA, and a lot of folks didn't even want to say where they were made. So that was an indication that they weren't made in the US. So that kind of led me back to where I am today with the Advantage. They called me the day before just to validate everything, confirm the location. Guy showed up early this morning, and I'm thrilled to death that I got to finally this day in my life where I can get the list for my car, and so I can start working on them. I have no problem recommending Advantage to other folks that I meet at shows that may be looking at other lifts as well.